Why do most workplace apologies fail? It's not because people don't care, it's because in the moment of pressure, they forget what an apology is actually supposed to do. You see, most apologies are designed to explain, to clarify intent, to provide context, to make sure that the other person knows that's not what I meant. So you hear things like, I'm sorry if it came across that way, or I didn't intend for that to happen, or I was under a lot of pressure. And while those statements may very well be true, they actually don't repair the moment. Because the issue isn't what you meant, it's what the other person experienced. Here's the key. Apologies fail when they defend intent instead of acknowledging impact. Impact is what the other person experienced regardless of what you meant. So a more effective apology sounds like this. I see how that landed, and I can understand why that was frustrating. Or that wasn't the outcome I wanted, and I can see the impact it had. Or here's what I'll do differently going forward. You see, no conditions, no deflection, no shifting the focus back to yourself. Because when impact is acknowledged clearly, defensiveness drops, and then repair can begin. You can always come back to intent later, but if you start there, you're likely to lose the moment. So here's a question for you to think about. In your last apology, what did you focus on? Explaining your intent or acknowledging the impact on the other person?